This is my audio demo for the Washington Project. We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you this late-breaking news. I'm Chase Stanson. Reports have come in all across the country of alien forces coming in and hovering over towns. We bring you now live to the footage of the aliens talking.
It is I, Lord Zortak. I have come to deplete your entire planet of sugar. Sugar powers our vehicles and our lives, and we will take your sugar. Blong?
I am Blong. I am Lord Zortak's Commander-in-Chief, and I will destroy each and every human to take their sugar reserves. So stand back, humans, and prepare for your destruction. That's the footage we have right now, and we are getting reports that the President is coming to soothe the American people. Mr. President. Thank you, Chase. Now, ladies and gentlemen, you should calm down. Don't worry about it because I have a plan. We can take out these aliens, and it won't be a problem. We're going to use time travel. Now, I will bring in my fellow research associate, Dr. Adams, and he will explain it to you. Hello, I'm Dr. Adams, and basically what we will do is create a temporal vortex so that a person may pass through and bring another person back through. We will go and get the presidents of old and bring them to this time, for the presidents of old have a strong resilience that no one these days has. Thank you.